Perfect fit. Fits Westin E-Series 3 Nerf Step Bars only. Does not fit any other Westin or non-Westin 3-inch round Nerf Step Bars. Constructed of non-slip polymer plastic for a firm step surface. Fits front or rear step pad area. Requires 5 barrel clips included, for installation. Replacement step pad kit for Westin E-Series 3 step bar. Includes 1 step pad. Includes 5 barrel clips for installation. Note: fits Westin E-Series 3 Nerf Step Bars only. Does not fit any other Westin or non-Westin 3-inch round Nerf Step Bars. Top reviews from the United States. This really wasn't that difficult. I am a big fat guy. Nerf bars with these types of pads just can't hold up to a heavy person putting that weight on the pads. I can't really blame the bars or this replacement part on my fat $1. Over time mine broke, busted up, and were ugly. It was really to be expected. So I started to look for a replacement and found these on Amazon. I read reviews of people complaining that they were difficult to install, didn't lay flat, didn't come with barrel pins, etc. Truth is, it's not really that difficult. I glazed over the instructions and found that they even tell you the exact order of pushing the pad into position. The most difficult part was removing the stuck-in barrel pins. I simply got a drill with an appropriately sized drill bit. I drilled into the pin till it bit into the pin, gently pulled them out. Then I followed the directions. I inserted the new, supplied in the package, barrel pins, tamped them down with a mallet. I then followed the instructions and inserted each peg into the barrel pin in the recommended order. I got on my knees and ensured that the pins were inserted into the barrel pins prior to hammering them down with force. The whole thing took less than 10 minutes and now the pad is flush and secure. Really not difficult. Will the replacement pad break again? Yep, more than likely, unless I lose some weight. Again, not the fault of the part. For an average weight person, they should be just fine.